Suresh Ramani here. Recently, Microsoft has made some changes to their interface, chat interface, which can lead to some confusion. So, we all sometimes need to use our apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. At the same time, we all also sometimes need to reset the passwords. Now, these things, the interface has changed. So it can lead to confusion. So I'm going to spend a few minutes today in trying to explain to you the new interface so that it becomes very easy for all of you, for all the users of Microsoft 365. So let me share my screen quickly. OK, so typically what we used to do was we used to go to office.com if we had to use Word, Excel, or any of the apps, or even change the passwords. However, when we do that now, we go to a totally different interface. All changed. So what we're going to do here is we're going to now understand this interface so that it becomes easy for you to continue with your work. Everything has moved to the left, and at the top you see the Microsoft 365 Copilot chat interface. So for people who have the license, you have these work and the web options available. It's clean, absolutely clean. And here you have on the left, let's go one by one. First option is the search. So when you click on the search, it's pretty good because you can really do a search across your Microsoft 365 tenant. It could be, so here you can search for files, meetings, whatever, anything which is across your Microsoft 365 tenant, you just do a search here. Next option is obviously the chat, okay, which we all are aware of. Users of Microsoft 365, we are aware. This is a regular chat. Then you have agents. So all your agents, whether first-party Microsoft agents or third-party agents or the agents which you have built are all here. For example, we have built customer support agents, so it's coming here. So any company-wide agents will all come here. So it's quite nice. And if you click on all agents, for example, very quickly you are taken to the agents page where you can, use some of these agents. Researcher agent is fantastic. We'll discuss that some other time. And then there are these agents which we use extensively, customer support agent and other agents, right? So agents, it's an agent store essentially. So let me collapse it. And then if you were wondering what happened to your old chats, because old chats are great when you are looking, for example, when you go to the chat window, you used to get the old chats here on the right side. I mean, they've disappeared. So what do you do? Well, no worries. What you need to really do is you need to go to, so you've seen agents, we have to go to conversations. So here you have all the conversations. And the good part is if I click on the conversations, it's nicely packaged like yesterday, previous 7 days, previous 30 days. So it's pretty neat and well organized. It helps you get better organized. So that's where your conversations, all your existing conversations are there. Then you have pages here. So like, for example, I have this page which comes to me every day in the morning. So it's like, it helps me prepare for the day in terms of my meetings and my rest of the stuff so that, I can, first thing in the morning, I get this email and it has got everything which helps me prepare for the day, right? So this and other pages are all here. Then you have these notebooks. These are your notebooks. You can create Copilot notebooks. This is This is another interesting topic which we will discuss some other time. But notebooks are all here. And then you have your apps. By the way, what you see from admin to down will not exist when you go into it. I'll tell you how to get this. So you have to go to apps. And when you go to apps, this is what you get, right? Your apps which you regularly use, and whatever you need, you can just use these three dots and pin them. So I have pinned admin, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, Viva Engage, and Planner, because this is what I use on pretty much on a day-to-day basis. So this is what I have pinned here. So you could also decide what you want and you could pin. So this is great. So this is how you will get your apps. And then there's this very interesting option called as create. This is your go-to area to create video, create poster. You can do a lot of creation here. So we are going to do this some other time because this is a big topic by itself, right? So now, for example, the admin, right? So let's go to admin here, admin app. So when we go to admin app, you get your good old admin app. And this is where you would, reset your password and do all kind of stuff which you would want to do. Not just that, for Microsoft partners, if you want to you will want to go to your partner portal. So you click here, and then there you have the, Microsoft Partner Network. So all there, no need to worry much. And then finally, let's also look at, the password reset. Another way to reset the password. It was usually at the right top. Now at the left corner, bottom corner, you have your name and your picture. So you just click on that. What you see is my Microsoft 365 profile. So you click on that. And when you click on the My Microsoft 365 profile, that's where you will get the interface which you are familiar with in terms of your subscriptions, your password reset, and all that kind of stuff is all there. Okay, everything here. So you don't have to worry. Nothing is gone away. It's just that it has been reorganized, but reorganized in such a manner that it becomes a bit confusing for people who are not aware of what is what where, right? So let me stop sharing for now. And hopefully you have found this video interesting. And the purpose of this is very simple. We as users of Microsoft 365 are so dependent on it that any kind of change we get really hassled. So this video is to help you become familiar with the new interface. And of course, the new stuff that you saw, we are going to work on that and come back to you with some focused videos and articles to help you. Having said that, I hope you will get productive, right? Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day ahead.